How to fix iOS 18 update not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, then head towards the website beta.apple.com. Once you're in this website, scroll down. Over here, you will see the option of sign up and sign in. You can click on the option of sign in, then provide your Apple ID's credentials, password, and the email address, then log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now over here, you're going to find different device option. Select for the option of iOS, then scroll down. You'll see the option of enroll your iOS device. You have to go ahead and click on that option. With that, iOS 18 will be downloaded. Once you do that, scroll down. Now you have to back up all of your data. Then you have to close this and launch your settings. Navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of software update. Now over here you'll find the option of beta updates. You have to click on it. You will see the option of iOS 18 public beta or iOS 18 developer beta. Checking for any of it. Then you can head back. Now on this page you will find iOS 18 beta software. Now go ahead and download and install it. With that you'll get access to iOS 18. So this way you can easily fix iOS 18 update not showing. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.